太老师的太，嗨，大家好。OK，今天我们一起来看6个字。好哦，同样的，这是我的 email。If you have any question, send me an email. OK，let's see. Give me 1 second. Beautiful. Okay, let's do our. These are the 6 characters we're going to learn today. Let's read with me. 马 horse. 牛 cattle. 羊 sheep. 鱼 fish. 虫 bug. 鸟 bird. 首先第一个字马 What does it mean? A horse. Look at that. A horse, right? Okay, how do we write it? Super easy. A person jump out of the rooftop and his horse coming over and take him away. Isn't that easy? Okay, let's see. A person jumping off the rooftop and his horse coming over and take him away. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. OK， 非常的简单，对不对 ？OK， 我们再看下一个牛 What does it mean? Oh, cow, right? Or cattle, right? 非常有意思 Very interesting. And how do we write it? Okay, super easy.牛, look, this is the horn of the cow. The cow is in the middle, okay? And then all of a sudden, he stand up, but he's really tall, and then he said, "Moo!" He scared everyone, right? So 1, 2, 3, stand up, moo! Scared everyone, right? Okay, beautiful, and go to the next one. You guys doing beautiful for following me, okay? And then Yang, what does it mean? Okay, let's see. A little sheep, little ram. Okay, how do we write it? Okay, very easy. The 2 little ear of the sheep. Look at that, right? And then this is a tiger marks. Why we have a tiger print? Because this inside the tiger print is a little lamb, right? 2 ears, tiger print. Inside the tiger print is our little lamb. So sweet. Right? Okay. We're going to the next one. 鱼 What does 鱼 mean? Fish. How do we write fish? Easy. Super easy. Okay. This is the mermaid's crown. This is the mermaid's body. On the body with the scales, right? And this is mermaid's tail. Again, mermaid's crown, mermaid's body with the scales, and a mermaid's tail. Mermaid's crown, mermaid's body, mermaid's scale, and mermaid's tail. Super easy, right? Very easy. Can I see the next one? 虫. What does 虫 mean? Bug. Oh, look at that, right? Okay. Very, very easy. How do we write it? Draw a huge bug head, right? And the bug has antenna. And all of a sudden we have two big bug eyes. And the bug has a long leg. And then we give bug a little shoe, right? So the bug head, antenna made of two big eyes, a huge leg with a little shoe. So that is a bug in 虫, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super easy. Guess what? If you have been watching video, on my video, you're supposed to know a lot of Chinese characters now, right? Very at least I don't know, 30, at least 30, right? Okay, now let's see the next one. 鸟, the last one. 鸟, what does 鸟mean? Bird, right? Bird, 鸟. Okay, let's write bird. How do we write bird? It's a sad story. This is a sad story. Because the bird has a feather on his head, right? And he flew down the roof. He lost his eye, one of his eye, and a huge python came by and took away his eye and slithering away. It's so sad. The feather on the head, and he flew down the rooftop with an eye, and he saw this huge python, took his eye and slithering away. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't that sad? That's a sad story, right? Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Let's go to the next one. Let's do a review. Okay, repeat after me. 马, horse. 牛, cattle. 羊, sheep. 鱼, fish. 虫, bug. 鸟, bird. Okay. And again, if you have any question, shoot me an email. Click the like button, please, and subscribe to my channel. Forward this video to someone you think might be interested. You can also email me for a free demo class. I have a homework packet for you. And that's it. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. 再见。